Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Roblox exploits work on PC. It's crucial to understand that using these third-party programs to modify the game's behavior, like gaining infinite currency or teleportation, directly violates Roblox's terms of service. This can lead to severe consequences, including a permanent ban of your account. Furthermore, downloading such software from unofficial sources carries significant risks, potentially exposing your computer to harmful malware and viruses. Always prioritize your account safety and your PC's security. Roblox exploits function by injecting unauthorized code directly into the game client, effectively altering its normal operations. These tools often target specific vulnerabilities within the game's security framework or its client-side processing. A common type is a script executor, which allows users to run custom code within the game environment. However, these methods constantly battle against Roblox's continuously updated anti-cheat systems, making them inherently unstable and unreliable over time. The risks associated with using Roblox exploits are substantial and far-reaching. The most immediate consequence is often the permanent termination of your Roblox account, losing all your progress and purchases. Beyond that, exploit software is frequently a vector for malicious code, such as keyloggers that steal your personal information or ransomware that locks your files. Your personal computer's security can be severely compromised, leading to data loss or identity theft. It's simply not worth the danger. To ensure a safe and enjoyable Roblox experience, it is always best to play fairly and adhere to the official terms of service. If you encounter players using exploits, please report them through Roblox's official channels. This helps maintain a fair environment for everyone. Crucially, never download or execute any unverified software from untrusted websites onto your personal computer. By playing legitimately, you contribute positively to the community and protect both your account and your digital security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.